So in the previous lesson, we were talking about how to use the select cases option to solve questions. Brilliant. So our question was, what is the mean age of people of non-anemics who are obese? What is the mean age of non-anemics who are obese? And we say that we can tell SPSS to select only uh, only cases or only people who are anemic and obese, and then we'll do a simple frequency for age and then find the mean from the age. You understand? It's very simple. So we come to our data set and then we select cases. So this is the shortcut for select cases. When you click the shortcut, you click on if, then once you click on the if, you drag your HB category. So in our HB category, the anemic people were labeled 4 and the obese people were labeled 0. So all I did was I dragged HB category here and said that if HB category is equal to 4 and the BMI group is equal to 0, then I click continue. Once I click continue, then I click OK. Once I click OK, SPSS will automatically cancel all cases that are not what we have input there. So you see, it has canceled everything. It has canceled everything. So it will only leave the cases of people who are anemic and obese. So if you go back to our data sets, BMI, good. If you go back to our data sets, obese was labeled 0, and then anemic was labeled 1. Oh, okay. So I've made a mistake. Wait, what's the question again? Let me check the question real quick. Okay, non-anemic and obese. Good. So non-anemic was what? Non-anemic was 0. Good. Non-anemic was 0. So SPSS has automatically canceled the rest out and has automatically selected only the number of people who were non-anemic at the same time obese. So now that you know the number of people who are non-anemic and obese, we can calculate their mean age, right? So in calculating their mean age, it's simple. We just go to analyze frequencies, descriptive statistics frequencies. Then we put age there. We put age there. Then we click OK. So there were no cases like that. So it means that our question will not fit this example. So, okay, let me change the question so that it will be able to fit. So let me do it. What is the mean age of non-anemics what is the mean age of people who were non-anemics or obese? So non-anemics or obese. So we are not doing it non-anemics and obese anymore. We are just doing it non-anemic or obese. So please note the difference. I'm just doing that so that we'll be able to fit it in the exam. So it's the same thing. We'll come to select cases, come to if. So this time, instead of selecting and obese, we'll rather select or. So this is the or. So we'll select or obese. Then click continue. So once you click continue, then click OK. So let me see. Off. Still not fitting our data sets. But that would have been how you do it. So we're getting a proper question to fit. Okay, let me try this. Let me try it this way. We are just choosing the anemic people. But in case you get that question and you want to use, so you can use the split file. You can use the
Table.
yeah.
And please, I think there is a mistake in what you've written. The HB category equal to 4. It's just anemic and non-anemic, so it's 0 and 1. But you made it for being obese. Maybe that's where the problem is from.
Oh, okay. So let me check. HB category is 0 and 1. Okay, okay, okay. And then the obese is what? 4. Okay, so I think I interchanged it. So the HB category is rather 0 and then 4.
Made it 1. Is 0 not 1?
0. 0 and 4. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You see, it's simple. Now everybody can do it now. You see, it's very simple. Thank you very much. Okay, so once you are done, you click continue. Then, okay. So SPSS will filter it out for you. Good. So now you see it has selected some of the cases that are there. So now we can run a simple descriptive for the mean age. So we come to analyze descriptive statistics. So we can either use descriptives or frequencies. Doesn't really matter. So you let me use frequencies and age. Click OK. Then let me also use the descriptives also to do it. So, but please note, if you use frequency to do it, you have to come to statistics and then click the mean, or else you will not get it in your answer. So you have to select the mean and click continue before you click OK, or else you will not get it in your answer. So you see here, the age is what? The mean age is what? 21.46. So that becomes the mean for people who are anemic and what? Obese. So that answers question 11. So you can also use descriptive statistics to do the same thing. You come to descriptive analysis, then you come to descriptives. Then instead of here, this you put in age there, then click OK. So this one will give you the mean 21.46. You see the same thing, 21.46. So in SPSS, once you understand the whole concept, there are so many tests that you can run and it will give you the same answer. So depending on what you want, the rest is up to you to practice and then be conversant with the tricks. It's very, very simple, very, very easy. Okay. So, let me do one that is, I think the rest is okay. You guys can do it. Good. So, let me look for one that I've not spoken about. Okay. The percentiles. Okay, I'm not speaking about the percentiles, so we'll just do the percentiles and then we'll call it a day. Okay, so in order to find the 27th percentile of rate of participants, all you have to do is that to come to your data set. So please remember, just like the split file, when you are done, you have to reset everything. So I have to come back here and reset it. And click reset and click OK. Or else the next analysis I'll do will be wrong. So back to the question. The question was 27 percentile of rate of participants. So you look for weights. Once you find your weights, you come to analyze. Then you come to discrete statistics. Then you come to frequency. Remember, they are asking for what? Percentages. So that's the 27 percentile, right? So you have to do it in frequencies. It's also a frequency. So we put in our weight here and come to statistics. Then we click on percentiles. And what percentile are they asking for us? So they are asking us to find what? The 27th percentile of the weight of the participants. So when you click the percentiles, then we write here 27. In order to get the 27th percentile, then just click add. Then that's all. So once you click your add, you can click continue and then you click on OK. Once you click on OK, SPS is going to run the analysis for you. And then you see in the first summary, you have percentiles there. And the percentile that you wrote was what? 27 percentile, right? And what's the 27 percentile? 56.0. Very simple, very easy. It's not difficult at all. Any more questions? Do you have any questions?